be putting on a pocket on our apron from the last video. What you're going to need is your apron from the last video and the back of the shirt that we took from the apron, and a measuring tape. You're going to need a marker, fabric glue, and if you are not familiar with a glue gun, any fabric glue would work, but I'm just going to use the glue gun. What you're going to do now is just take your ruler, and you're going to take your marker and mark it here, right where the seam is at, and then you can just close this and get your scissors and just cut all the way down. Now that you have cut your piece, it will be too long, but what you're just going to do is cut 2 inches off each side. Now we're just going to glue down some seams for our pocket just on the side and the front. Now you're going to take your pocket and put it at the seam side that we glued on your apron, and glue it close to the ties, but make sure that you don't put it on your ties. And what you're going to do is you're going to first just glue the back, and then you're going to flip it down. This is optional. You can put glue in the middle so you can have 2 pockets, or you can just have 1 big pocket. But then you're going to take your glue, and then you're going to put it here and here. And then you will have your pocket. And this is what your apron should look like. Make sure to not glue the front or you won't have pockets. Okay, bye.